1. Tell us about yourself.
Hi, my name is Grabando. I am 14 years old. I am software developer, and I have a beautiful family with four children and my wife. I like to generate software solutions that help people and companies make their lives easier.
Sí. Ok. Tú, what motivates you?
I like things to work and search for a better life. I added my satisfaction that work allows me to enjoy my family. It's very important.
Okay. What have you hobbies?
Soccer, video games, and traveling.
Okay. 4. What are your future plans if you have this hope?
Contribute and learn. Be able to generate strengths that help us grow together.
Okay. 5. What are your future goals or what are your career goals?
Being able to specialize in database and generate more income to travel and see the world.
Okay. 6. What do you see as great success in your life?
The tranquility of my children and know that they are good people. How to overcome the difficult moments that life throws at you.
Okay. 7. Why did you leave your last hope?
For the pandemic.
Okay. 8. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Directing projects in this company.
Okay. Muy bien, good.
Thank you.
Ahora cambiamos. Pasas a ser el entrevistador y yo como si me postulara.
Listo, hermano.
Ok.
Entonces, me avisas.
Ya.
Vamos con todo. Listo. Hi.
Hi.
One, tell us about yourself.
Hello. My name is Víctor Alfonso Galvis Gutiérrez. I am 29 years old. I currently live in Tuluá Valle and I want to apply for the web developer vacancy.
Good. Two, what motivates you?
Okay. The candidate motivate me since I am studying analysis and web development and etc.
Good. Three, what are your hobbies?
Yes. Reading and bike, swimming y el fishing.
Good, the fishing is good. Four, what are your future plans in this job?
Sabe to invest in real estate.
Okay, five. What are your future goals? Or what are your career goals?
I would like to continue studying system engineering.
Excellent. Six, what do you see as great success in your life?
I would like to have my own business, such as will systematized drugstore.
Okay. 7. Where do you live your life job?
To study and work in analysis and web development.
Okay, and the last, 8. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself studying system engineering and more in the future, exercising this profession since I am passionate about technology.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.